Understanding the function of folic acid, a vital nutrient for health. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. It is a synthetic form of folate, a type of B vitamin found naturally in many foods. Folic acid is vital for various bodily functions, and understanding its importance can help you appreciate why it is a key component of a healthy diet. One of the primary functions of folic acid is its role in DNA synthesis and repair. It is necessary for the creation and maintenance of new cells, making it particularly important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and infancy. Folic acid helps ensure that genetic material is accurately copied and that new cells are formed correctly, which is essential for normal development and overall health. Folic acid is also crucial for the production of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and their production requires adequate amounts of folic acid. A deficiency in folic acid can lead to anemia, a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells. Symptoms of anemia include fatigue, weakness, and difficulty concentrating, highlighting the importance of sufficient folic acid intake. In addition to its role in cell production and maintenance, folic acid is important for preventing neural tube defects in developing fetuses. Neural tube defects are serious birth defects that affect the brain and spinal cord, such as spina bifida. Pregnant women or those planning to conceive are often advised to take folic acid supplements to reduce the risk of these defects. Adequate folic acid intake before and during early pregnancy is critical for the proper development of the neural tube, which forms the baby's brain and spinal cord. Folic acid also contributes to heart health by helping to regulate homocysteine levels in the blood. Homocysteine is an amino acid that, at elevated levels, can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Folic acid helps to metabolize homocysteine into other benign substances, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, folic acid has been linked to mental health benefits. Studies suggest that it may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. This is because folic acid is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which regulate mood. Ensuring adequate folic acid intake may therefore support mental well-being. To ensure you get enough folic acid, it is recommended to consume a diet rich in folate. Natural sources of folate include leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, and whole grains. Additionally, many foods, such as cereals and bread, are fortified with folic acid to help prevent deficiencies. For some individuals, especially pregnant women, folic acid supplements may be necessary to meet the recommended daily intake. In conclusion, folic acid is a vital nutrient with multiple functions essential for maintaining health. From DNA synthesis and red blood cell production to preventing birth defects and supporting heart and mental health, the importance of adequate folic acid intake cannot be overstated. By incorporating folate-rich foods into your diet or taking supplements as needed, you can help ensure your body gets the folic acid it needs to function optimally. For more information on the benefits of folic acid and how to incorporate it into your diet, check out the recommended videos in the description.